The Sprint machines are among the best sellers from HOLZ-HER, and with good reason. No other machine in this class offers so much professional edge banding technology from the joining unit, through all necessary processing steps, to the finish with scraper, flat scraper, buffing and spraying devices. With a variable feed rate of 10 to 18 meters per minute, the Sprint always selects the perfect feed rate for each application. With edge thicknesses of 0.4 to 15 millimeters and plate thicknesses of 8 to 60 millimeters, it covers a wide range of applications and is both flexible and productive. The Sprint 1327 and 1329 differ mainly in machine length. The Sprint 1329 uses a twin-motor corner copying unit. The Sprint 1327 is equipped with a single-motor corner copying unit and is therefore more compact and 400 millimeters shorter. The two-motor form milling unit can operate at full speed up to 18 meters per minute. In addition, proportional valves control the working pressures of the unit fully automatically depending on the feed speed and working height. 4 high-speed NC servo axes always ensure the correct position of the diamond tool in relation to your workpiece and thus always produce excellent results. Last but not least, 2 pendulum switches ensure a perfect finish at the corners, optimized front and back. The unit works as a form milling unit and copies every contour completely around the panel. It can also be used as a pure longitudinal trimming unit. For example, when high-edge overhangs need to be trimmed in 2 steps. Your customers are continuously demanding more customization and material variety. HOLZ-HER's new Sprint 1329 multi-edge bander offers state-of-the-art carpentry shops a solution for productive and profitable realization. The new multi reduces your setup times enormously and even allows production of small lots at any time. This reduces reject quotas and sample workpieces to a minimum. On the inside, the Sprint 1329 Multi operates with assemblies using play-free mechanical systems and high-precision, fully digital NC servo axes, guaranteeing precise positioning with 100% repetition accuracy. The Sprint 1329 Multi is completely equipped with multifunctional tools. An 18.5-inch touchscreen with widescreen format allows selection of the specific profile on the multiple stage diamond tool, and the unit is automatically guided into the starting position. The new NC drives and play-free mechanical systems are also integrated into the dual motor shaping cutter. A fully automatic revolving tool changer with absolute repetition accuracy allows fully automatic shaping with a wide variety of profiles. The fully automatic scraper unit performs the final machining operation. 2 different profiles can be selected at the touch of a button. The scraper carrier can be equipped with standard carbide-tipped scrapers to complete the integrated multifunctional features with multiple stage tools and revolving tool magazine on the Sprint 1329 Multi. This machine makes it simple to offer your customers short setup times, continuous excellent quality, and enormous variety. The high-performance Sprint 1329 Multi is a completely smart edge bander, providing an efficient partner at your side. The Sprint 1329 Multi is equipped as standard with the profiles radius 2 and radius 1 mm for the most common plastic edges. Thin edges can be machined at any time with the profile runner. A large number of other profile variants are also available. Your Sprint can therefore be individually equipped with the profile combination that best suits your production and focus. The Sprint machines have a large 18.5-inch touchscreen control panel. It can be rotated and swiveled for ergonomic operation in any position. Inside is a state-of-the-art Linux industrial computer, which is specially optimized for the needs of our edgebanding machines and can be connected to your network for online maintenance, for example. An extensive program memory with the complete recording of all operating data, as well as service messages in plain text, are standard. An individual user administration with password protection and single authorizations can be set up for your needs. For example, the apprentice can use all programs but has no authorization to change them, while you, as the administrator, have access to the complete operating spectrum. Last but not least, for ease of use, the units can be adjusted using intelligent interactive graphics. The desired tool position for the application is selected on the graphics, and the axes move the units into position fully automatically. This position is then stored and can be called up at any time with repeat accuracy. With the two patented Airstream jointing cutters, the joining unit ensures a perfect adhesive surface without tears in the top layer. The integrated drill holes, in combination with the optimized suction hood, ensure optimum chip removal. Up to 99% of the chips produced are collected directly by the extraction system. This effectively prevents double chip cutting and ensures an enormous tool life of the milling cutters. Furthermore, these cutters are also extremely quiet and can be resharpened up to 4 times. The heart of the Sprint is, of course, our unique GlueJet adhesive application system. With GlueJet, you can use standard commercial adhesive cartridges or granulated adhesives as standard with EVA or waterproof polyurethane adhesives as required in an unmatched quality with zero joint. The machine is ready for operation in only 3 minutes and cools down just as quickly. With its short heat-up time and low energy consumption, the Sprint is a pioneer in energy efficiency. With GlueJet, the adhesive is pressed into the plate structure under high pressure. Thanks to the 90-degree doctor blade division in a 1mm grid, for example, on a 19mm plate, 19 glue strips are applied with high precision. During subsequent pressing at the pressure section, the adhesive can now spread from the mountain to the valley within the narrow surface without swelling at the top and bottom, thus creating a clean optical zero joint. At the same time, this patented process ensures a high-strength joint. With iTronic, an automatic glue quantity control is also available. The amount of adhesive for MDF and chipboard, or for different board thicknesses or types of adhesive, can be perfectly dosed according to requirements. The residual adhesive quantity display shows you what is still possible at any time. Residual amounts of PUR can be used in a controlled manner before the start of the rinsing cycle and do not have to be rinsed out. Cleaning the system is child's play via a flushing routine that is completely guided by the control unit. PUR glue can remain in the glue station for up to 48 hours. Afterwards, usually before the weekend, the complete system is rinsed fully automatically with the correct pressure, temperature, and amount of cleaner. There is no easier or safer way to handle polyurethane adhesives, making GlueJet the best PUR system on the market. The Sprint machines already work with 22 high-speed NC servo axes as standard. A wide variety of applications can thus be selected at the touch of a button and with repeat accuracy at any time. Setup times, rejects and test pieces are reduced to a minimum with Sprint machines. For example, the thickness of the protective foils on high-gloss panels can be compensated for precisely to 1/100th of a millimeter. As soon as you peel off the film, there is no protrusion. If necessary, units move intelligently out of the collision area. The processing tools can be moved perfectly into position for thin edges or for 1 or 2 mm plastic edges. Machining with a chamfer is also possible. Even the selection for machining without protrusion when milling for melamine, veneer or solid wood edges where no scraper is used is fully automatic via the axes. The newly developed FAST system, fast setting technology or setup in the gap, developed by HOLZ-HER, is installed as standard on the Sprint and is unique in this class. With FAST, you can run different processing operations simultaneously in the edge banding machine. For example, the corner copying unit can be intelligently switched on without having to empty the machine for the setup process. The fast high-speed servo axes are indispensable for this function, which bring the units into position for this function in a flash. The Sprint, if necessary, is able to run up to 2 kilometers of edges in just one shift, and all this in excellent quality with 0 joints. The Sprint works with a dynamic locking roller, which enables the optimum workpiece sequence. It automatically blocks the machine infeed if, for example, glue or edges are missing, thus very effectively preventing operating errors. There is also an optional extended light package, which provides an intelligent optical workpiece sequence display in addition to the LED machine lighting. The edge banding machine is decisive for the high-quality appearance of your furniture. No longer live with compromises or encrusted glue melting basins. Get clean, efficient and affordable edge banding technology at the highest level in your home with the Sprint. Convince yourself of the professional edge banding technology from HOLZ-HER. We look forward to seeing you.